Okay guys, we're back once again with another video, and today I've got some footage I'd love to share with you from the Runout. And for those of you who are wondering, well, what is the Runout? The Runout is a drungle, man said drungle, you know, what's that? Drungle, is that a new genre? Drum and bass vinyl marketplace where you can go and pick up vinyl from your favorite artists. And yeah, vinyl is back, guys. For those of you who don't know, record vinyl is back. People are remaking vinyl and you could get exclusive stuff down there. I'm talking about merchandise and also limited edition drops from your favorite artists. So I wanted to share some of that footage with you today because I met so many cool people there, and also it's a great social event where you can catch up with a lot of people you haven't seen for quite a while, who, you know, other like-minded vinyl collectors. And also one thing I've got to say as well about the Runout, being upfront with you guys, I mean, I personally go down there and I sell my own merch and my material, and seeing you guys purchasing the merch and seeing all your enthusiasm and how excited you guys are about the limited dub plates that I put out, it just really gives me the encouragement and the strength to carry on doing what I'm doing, man. And you know, it's something that would never be possible without you guys. So I just want to thank everybody from the bottom of my heart. Yeah. Okay guys, and let's make some noise. Yeah, comment down below and let me know what tracks you picked up at the Runout if you managed to go down there, what exclusives you was lucky to get hold of, you know, if it's a limited edition piece or whatever. And also for those of you who collect vinyl, comment down below and let me know what tracks you would like to see actually repressed. Yeah, because I know vinyl is very rare and hard to get, and a lot of the old school copies now getting played to death and totally worn out. I know a lot of you guys would like to see some of these vinyls coming back. A lot of you do approach me about some of my tunes as well, but yeah, comment down below, let me know. And I also wanted to say, guys, if you're getting anything out of this content and you're enjoying it in any way, shape or form, please leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel, because I upload lots of stuff like this on a regular basis. That being said, guys, let's get into the video. Yes, check one. I'm here with my man DJ Ruff Cut from way back when, absolute legend in the game. And me and him are the Amen brothers, going back to the old Brain Studios in Windsor Road in 1992, is it?
92, mate, yeah.
And we've done that track 100 Degrees and many more. I just want to say you're absolute legend in the game, and much appreciated. And also I want you to just give everybody a big shout.
Big shout to everyone. Without Busy I would not be making tunes, so big up Busy B. Thank you.
Enough respect, my man, big up.
Yes, out to the drum unit crew, Tron and Rugger Ranger in the house, out to the Busy Bee every time.
Yes, what an event it's been. I can't believe how many people's been here, how much man's I bucked up with. Like this man, God knows how long it's been since I've seen Dave the Madman Amen Cutter. Jesus Christ.
Yes, brother.
But it's been a great event, a good event for this man in front of me, Mr. Busy Bee. It's been ramjam.
Just so people know, TDK was the original Amen master. Let people know that.
Forget what he said. But this has been a great event all day. I hope there's a next one soon. But this is respect to Busy Bee and all the mans that is out there that have come to this event. Deluxe, Equinox, Ray Keith who's down there, the man's from Banging Tunes. I see there's a man there from FBD Project, the man from D-Zone who I bucked up with earlier on, Zinc who's over there somewhere. Who else? There's a few other mans, but respect to all mans due. Later on, peace from TDK.
I'm just over here, got the Brain crew inside, got the man like on.
We've got Teacher Busy B every time. I think representing the Amen beats on day one.
Big up, man, big up. And I got the man like Deluxe here as well.
Yeah, man, all good. Listen, it's been absolutely amazing here, man. It's my first time at the Runout, but not my last time, man. Everything sell out.
Sell out, sell out. Wicked, wicked.
did it go?
It went really good. Yeah.
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 And what else then? You have a good time?
Yeah, I had a brilliant time.
I didn't know what to expect, yeah?
Yeah.
And I wish you got more footage of it, but it was just absolutely crazy. As soon as the door opened up, it was going absolutely mad. We were struggling to keep up with the amount of vinyl and merchandise
Why
we sold.
are you pointing just at me?
But yeah, it was great. So many good people here, banging tunes, had a big massive stall. They had a Dubplate, limited Dubplate they were selling over there apparently. And that's what all the mad queues were about. Everyone was crowding around that table earlier, over there.
There you go, yeah.
Huh?
What? I didn't see it.
Huh?
I didn't see that.
What?
What did you say? I just saw people standing here.
Yeah, that was that. Yeah, that was for that. Yeah, Dubplate. They had a Dubplate.
Yeah. Alright.
Huh?
Nothing. No, I'm alright. I didn't see that.
What? This morning?
Huh?
This morning?
No, I didn't see it. I just thought I was dealing with people here.
No, over there was crowds of people when it first opened. A lot of the crowd was over there, over that bit there.
Ah, I didn't see it.
Yeah, there was about 40 people waiting to buy a Dubplate. That's what Ben J was saying.
Oh.
Do you know the little Dubplates that we had? Well, Ben J, he said that they got some cut, about 30 of them, and all those people were crowding around to buy them.
Bloody hell.
That's what that was about.
Oh. Bloody hell.
A man like Lemon D in the place, yes, big up. That's Lemon D.
Oh.
Yeah. So people, I'm here with the legendary Pete Cannon in the place. Yeah, so how did you find it here today?
Absolutely stunning, lad. Everyone in the scene's here, man. You've got like DJ Tracks playing live now. You know, Overshadows here, Brain Records, Creative Wax, M4, Mind, Night Force, everybody's here. If you're into this scene, you need to get down to the Runout.
Yeah, it's been wicked.
Busy's got free chocolate, so
Yeah, don't forget the free chocolate, man.
big up, Busy. Big
Yes,
up.
big up Pete Cannon inside, man. Respect. Nice one. All right, let's go.
Original dance.
Guys, I'm here with Jason Majin, man, straight from America, yeah? Big up Jason Majin, man.
Just flown in from Philly, and boy are my arms tired, and so now I'm gonna buy some records.
Who have we got here? We got the legendary Lemon D over here. Big up Lemon D.
That's so.
Absolute legend in the game. Yeah, I'm sure he doesn't need any introduction. Have you enjoyed yourself here today, mate?
First time down, isn't it? You know what I mean?
Yeah, I thought it was wicked, man.
First time, good
Yeah.
atmosphere, good vibe. Wicked good people like yourself.
Yes, mate, yes, mate. You still doing stuff with Dillinger? When's the last time you done a track with Dillinger?
I've never done a track with Dillinger.
I saw it was always Lemon D and Dillinger and all that. Valve. The sound system.
The release is better than the sound system.
Right.
The sound system's back out, so yeah. It's my system
For my YouTube channel. Yeah.
Nice,
I do a little bit of YouTube and all that. This is Lemon D. We go back. I remember you came into the Brain Studio.
I think we go so far back to Telltale's days.
Yeah.
And I remember coming down to your place one time
With the
in
dogs.
studio.
Yeah.
Before anything. Like, you were one of the first people, right?
Yeah, that's it.
So like, at the end of the day, before I met anyone, you was like one of the first.
Yeah. And we bumped heads from day one and we were on the same vibe, you know what I mean? Yeah. It was wicked, man.
when it comes to it, I think I've known you like one out. I've known the longest. Like you're one of the original.
And this is the top guy here, man. Lemon D, love you, bruv. Love you. Yeah? Brilliant, man. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. I've got the Ipswich crew inside the place here. Colchester vibes. How'd you do it? You enjoy it today?
Fucking top stuff, man. Just got the new Rain release. Got some stickers, got a keyring, got a twister bar. Now we're both skinned. And the Zinc and Busy Bee release as well.
Wicked, man. Lovely, lovely, lovely. What time you got to go back?
We got to get going, really.
Yeah, you got a long old trip now, isn't it?
All the way on the train, and all the way in the car. It's about 3 hours to get, isn't it? Yeah, 3 hours.
Wow, man. Yeah, because I remember coming up by you that time, and it took a while, man. How's the night going? Is it going all right?
It's going really, really good, man.
Yeah, tell people about your night, man.
Vinyl only, the way it should be. We've been 7 years deep with wax on, wax off. Playing the vinyl, the hardcore jungle, all the original stuff the way it should be on vinyl, and the DJs absolutely love doing it the authentic, real way. No anthems, all B-sides, all the other stuff, the little gems you want to pull out your record box.
Wicked, man. Nice thing. Mate, loving that hat, mate. Loving that hat, brother.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's a Trini hat, right?
I love it.
Yeah, yeah, wicked. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You enjoy the session here today?
Well, I came a bit late. I've only just come back 10 minutes.
Oh, is it?
It went well.
Oh, you missed a good day, man. Very eventful day.
It doesn't matter. I've seen old faces, and that's all they count.
That's all it's about, man. For those who don't know the face, introduce yourself.
I'm Genotype, Just Jungle, Mastermind, Grassman, and that's it.
Keeping it lively, mate. Keeping it lively. Big up. Over here, we got the man Simon Underground over here. Enough love, Simon. How's it going today? You enjoy yourself?
It's been great fun out here. It's been really good fun. It's great social. I've been going away with a pocket full of money as well. What can't you love about it?
Can't ask for more, mate. Totally good. Loads of love down here as well. You know what I mean? Loads of love.
Yeah, it's been a lot of love. It's been really good fun. Great social on a Sunday. So big up for Simon and the crew for putting it on. It's been great.
Yeah, mate. Love it, mate. Love it, love it. Thank you very much, Si. Big up. I've got Simon over here. Two Bad Mice. There you go, guys. Banging tunes over there. FBD project people in the place. Wicked. Si, how's it going, mate? Had a good time today?
I'm knackered.
You're knackered?
I'm knackered, but thank you for coming along.
Yeah, mate. It's fantastic, man. Enjoyed every minute of it. Well worth it. All the love and everything, and moving vinyl.
J Magic.
Yeah. 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 The business. Absolute business, man. Absolute business. Take care, man. I want to give you a shout out. Introduce yourself, man, to the Massive and crew.
My name's Wavefront and Majesty. I mean jungle, breaks, everything. Whatever you got, I got it for you.
Wicked, man. Big up, big up, big up, big up. Let me go over here and see if I can catch the DJ Zinc. The original super sharp shooter. I would say, looking at this stall, this is run by somebody who has serious OCD, because everything is so neat compared to my topsy-turvy stall.
That's him, not me. It's not me. I ain't got the OCD. Dazza's got the OCD.
Dazza's the OCD man, yeah?
No. No, we'll get a picture of you because you've got OCD.
Yeah, so we say the way this stall's so neat and tidy and everything's all organised, I say it's got to be done by someone who's got OCD.
The only bit that ain't tidy is the bit when Burton turned up. Look.
There you go.
That's Ben's corner.
Right, there's a creative corner over there, yeah? Okay, I got it now. I got it. Awesome.
But yeah, we need organisation.
You need organisation, right? But it's been good today. Enjoyed it?
I've loved it.
Yeah?
I've seen loads of old friends I haven't seen for a long time. And can't wait for April.
Brilliant, man.
Roll on April.
The next one's April, so I'm looking forward to that myself. My first time here, and it's been awesome. We've had a good time, and everything's exceeded my expectations.
Yeah, oh, definitely.
Brilliant, man. Brilliant.
Big up Bex. Big up Bex.
Big up Bex over there, yeah. DJ Zinc, give everyone a big shout on the channel for me.
Big up everybody on the channel for busy.
Take care, my brother. I love you.
Love you too, Biz.
Take care, man. See ya. Alright, so I'm here with the Dextrous, man. The original
big up.
Kings of the Jungle inside, man. And I've got a lot of love for you and your music.
Oh, listen.
I love the tunes you're coming with.
You were my inspiration when I was trying to make my way in this thing.
And I'm still trying to figure out how you got that King of the Jungle sample sounding so fat. Because King of the Jungle, it sounds so fat on the mix.
I can't give away trade secrets, unfortunately.
Well, watch this space, man. Watch this space, yeah? Because at some point, hopefully, it's going to come out, man. You know what I mean? But tell everyone quickly what you've been up to real quick. And
oh, God. Been in the wilderness, but always been making music. Been doing a lot of library music, so a lot of those things that you've heard on your favourite TV show, most probably me. But back in the studio, back in the trenches, back in the jungle, and hopefully next year Subversive Recordings will be back with some represses and some new bits and pieces.
Yes, we're going to be looking forward to that one, man. To the max, mate, to the max.
But yeah, big up Busy Bee, shooter, inspiration, mentor, even though he doesn't know it. But I learned a lot from this guy, and he's been what can I say with this? He's been a game changer for me with Omniflop and all his tutorial videos on
YouTube,
the Akai, and I can't thank him enough.
Well, I mean, you was a legend on the. You're still a legend on the Akai, yeah, from way back when it was all doing that. It's just that when you first get back into it, it's like a bit daunting. You think, how the hell did I used to use this thing? But after a few goes and all that, it comes back, right?
I remember, what was it, last year, I went back on the Akai, and I thought, Jesus Christ, I'm lost. I can't remember how to do this. But you know what? I remember saying to somebody, I said, when we made music back in the day, it was a huge commitment because you had to learn how to use the gear. First we had to buy it. It wasn't just download a dodgy, some dodgy software and you've got your virtual studio. It was buying the gear and then spending hours, days upon days reading manuals and so I respect all the old school guys because
we put our heart, soul, and every penny we earned.
It was a steep learning curve, wasn't it?
Yeah, man.
And we're still here.
The original.
To tell the tale. And still doing our thing. So yeah, big up.
The original engineer producers in the place. Foundation business inside Dextrous. It's a pleasure, man.
Yes,
you know what I mean? Yeah. Love, man. Love.
Right, guys, well, that concludes our run out video. This was not the most recent run out. This was the run out before that. Guys, I got up at 6 o'clock in the morning to edit this video. If you're getting anything out of this, you want to see more content like this, guys, leave a big thumbs up. Also, massive shout to all the online communities, including the DOV crew. Until the next video, peace out.